Let's solve this together. It says 20 raised to the power 40 divided by 40 raised to the power 20. Okay, how do we solve this? Now the first thing I do here is I can say, remember the law of indices that says that a raised to the power m or raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m times n. Now 20 raised to the power 40, I can express this as 20 raised to the power 2 times 20. Abi? Now, this is now equal to, right, 20 raised to the power 2 or raised to the power 20 from this law. Now, I can write this into this fraction. I can now substitute this. So, this becomes equal to 20 raised to the power 2 or raised to the power 20 over 40 raised to the power 20. Since the powers are the same, I can join this together as 20 raised to the power 2 over 40 all raised to the power 20. Okay, now this becomes equal to, so 20 raised to the power 2 is 20 times 20 all over 40 all raised to the power 20. 0 collects 0, 2 times 2 is 4, they collect 4. What's remaining here is 1, which is 10. Alright, so we have this to be equal to 10 raised to the power of 20. So this becomes your final answer to this given question.